We have all been trained all our lives to think in a certain way, a logical way. If you have been in the stock market for any length of time, you know that the market is not logical. When your brain says prices should be going up, prices fall. When you think the prices have fallen enough, and it surely is time for them to rise up, they fall further. As soon as you buy a stock, it falls in price. As soon as you sell a losing stock you own, it starts to rise up in price. It seems like the market is some form of conspiracy designed to make you lose. This is a course designed and developed to customize the rules to match your individual, unique mentality. What seems to work for one participant may not work for another. This is because we are all mentally wired in a unique way, each of us different from one another. The 10 weeks of the course build your decision-making skills one upon another. This slide is a brief overview of what to expect during your 10-week program. As you can see, you will be expected to spend 10 minutes each trading day and an additional 10 minutes each weekend to fine-tune your watch list. Each of these 10-minute assignments are to be done in one single 10-minute sitting. Starting on the second weekend, you will be taking hypothetical action based on your observation and interpretation of the stocks on your watch list. The action will be your buys, sells, etc. on a hypothetical basis. This will accompany your weekend submissions. Starting in week 3, you'll be looking to trade stocks with hypothetical funds. Whether proper trading opportunities present themselves or not, there is no way to tell. If no trading opportunities present themselves, Brad will provide stocks from the past without disclosing the ticker symbol, so you do not look up its historical move to trade. Each week will have an assignment for the week and feedback from the previous week's assignment. It will not take you more than 10 minutes to complete the week's assignment. You'll be amazed how much you can learn in just 10 minutes worth of specifically designed assignment. This is a 10-week job internship where you'll be learning by doing. If you look at your own skills, most of you have developed by doing, not by listening to some lecture or a webinar or seminar. You have to actually observe, interpret, and act all on your own. There is no spoon feeding. All instructions will be via email and all submissions will be by email. The feedback and comments will also be by email. There will be no live chats, videos, or other entertainment content. This is strictly business. Stock speculation is a business, not an entertainment. For entertainment, there is always Las Vegas. By the time you finish the course, you will know how to pick the right stocks, when to enter a position, how much of your funds to commit to your entry position, how, where, and how much to commit to additional buys on the winning stock, how to figure out and where to place your trailing stops, when and how to be aggressive with your commitments, how and where to sell for profit, how to make real-time decisions that place you in the best positions for long-term success, how to observe the nuances in the stock's chart, how to develop a superior mental approach on every trading decision. This course is like no other. There are practical steps you will learn to take, steps that will lead you to better decision-making. As time passes, you will start making the right decisions at the right time.